Hi everyone! In this video, we'll create a quick survey form using Forms Made Easy. After installing Forms Made Easy from the Salesforce App Exchange in your org, we'll walk through the step-by-step process to build your survey. To begin, click on the My Forms tab, then enter the form name. Here we've chosen the Health Survey form. Select the form type as General, then click Create Form. Upload your brand logo by clicking Select Folder and choosing your file. From the uploaded files, select one, click Add File, and then apply. Your logo will appear on the form. Next, give your form section a clear label, like personal information. Now it's time to drag and drop the required fields. Start with the text field and rename it Name, then add other fields like date, email, and more, assigning the desired labels to each. Finally, once you've dragged and dropped all the required fields, move to the design stage. Click on Form Style and choose a suitable style from the available options. Next, select a background image, adjust the layout as needed, and click Save to finish. Once you've saved your changes, click the Publish button. You can then preview the form instantly or copy the URL to share it with your customers via email or chat.